Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthony Tutorials, the place to learn website creation the easy way. In this video, I dive into something really exciting. We are going to install and customize a WordPress theme. By the end of the video, you will know how to make your site actually look like a real website, not just the basic default page.
Anthony Tutorials.
First thing first, what's a theme? A theme controls how your WordPress site looks. It includes design, layout, colors, fonts, all that visual stuff. The cooling thing is you can change your theme anytime without losing your content. Alright, let's jump in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to the left menu and click on Appearance, then click on Themes. Here you will see any themes you already have installed. WordPress usually gives you a few default ones, but we are going to explore a new one. Now, click that button that says Add Theme. You are inside the WordPress theme library. There are thousands of free themes here. You can browse by featured, popular, or even use the search bar. For this tutorial, let's install a clean and modern one. I will search for Astra. Click Install, and once it's done, click Activate. Just like that, your theme is live. Next up, customization. Go to Appearance again and click on Customize. This opens the WordPress Customizer. It's like your design control center. Depending on the theme, you will see different options here. Usually, you will find site identity, colors, typography, header, footer, menus, and widgets. Let's walk through a few key ones. Under site identity, you can change your website name, tagline, and even upload your logo. Let's add a title like My First Website. And upload a logo if you have one. Make sure to click Publish every time you make a change. Next, let's adjust some colors. Head over to Colors. Here you can pick your background, text, and link colors to match your brand. Typography lets you change the font size and style. Don't be afraid to experiment here, but always keep things readable. One more thing, go to Homepage Setting. You can choose whether to show you latest post or a static homepage. If you want a custom homepage, select a static page, and later we will build one. And that's it. You have just installed and customized your first WordPress theme. Your site is starting to look great already. In this next video, we will create the actual pages for your website, like Home, About, and Contact. That's where the fun really begins. If this helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Anthony Morningstar, and I will catch you in episode 4 of this WordPress Begin series.
Anthony Tutorials.